Well, people in East China, including Shanghai, have been suffering from the longest summer heat and still ongoing. According to media reports, this will be the longest summer in Shanghai since the city had meteorological records over 100 years ago. The temperature in Shanghai will be 35 degrees in the coming days, and cannot believe it's already in October. The past National Day holiday from October the 1st to the 8th, we've seen unprecedented heat in many parts of East China. And take Shanghai, for example, the normal temperatures would be 26 degrees. This holiday, the highest is 36 degrees. And I had a trip to neighboring Fujian province, which is the coastal area, but there's no wind in the city I visited. We had to get up early in the morning and quickly visit the tourist spots and rush to restaurants with AC, finished our lunch and take a taxi to go back to our hotel and stayed there until the evening. No one can stand the heat wave by noon. Everything seems melting down. We have visited some places on our tour, but the heat kicked us back to the hotel. There have been jokes on social media that if summer doesn't stop here, our summer clothes would be all being worn out. And if you visit shops like Uniqlo, you would feel disoriented because all the huge advertising display of long jackets, scarves and down jackets, and all the customers are all in their summer clothes, and very few would show their interest to buy the autumn clothes, and many regret that they should have bought more summer wears. And apparently we are under the influence of global climate change, if not global warming. In recent years, we've seen unprecedented downpours in some parts of North China, causing flooding and damages. These northern areas are very experienced at combating drought due to historical and geological conditions, but there's growing possibilities that they have to deal with the other enemy that they already experienced before. I've also checked with some articles with meteorological authorities with two keywords to deal with the climate change of humankind: reduction and adaptation. Reduction means reducing gas emission by energy consumption, change from fossil to clean energy and recyclable sources. For individuals, low carbon lifestyles should be encouraged, like riding a bike instead of driving. Adaptation means take actions against the influence of drought by climate change or change predicted. For example, areas with drought should start to learn how to deal with flooding. Also, an early warning system should be set up to deal with the extreme weather. I wouldn't have learned this knowledge if not for this prolonged summer heat, but this is also a sign that it's never too late to learn and take actions.